In this video, I'll show you how to create a Namecheap account in 2025. So you'll need this account if you plan to buy a domain, web hosting, or managed website through Namecheap. So first, make sure you are on the official website of namecheap.com, and on the left side, you will see here the sign up button. So click the sign up button and you will see a form for account creation. So fill in your account details in here, your username, your password, your email address. So for the email address, use a valid one since this is where they'll send important updates. So once everything filled out in here, you can check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click the create and continue. And after that, Namecheap will send a verification link to your email. So open your inbox, find the email from Namecheap, and click the link confirm to your account. And after verifying, you'll be redirected to your Namecheap dashboard. So from there, you can now buy and manage domains, purchase hosting, set up SSL private emails, and other services. And that's it. So your Namecheap account is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.